What is that?
You're right. It's just some cotton off your shirt, mate.
Oh, God.
Mm.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Maybe use the tongs.
oh no, it's fine.
No, it's fine. Okay.
Look at that. Oh, my God. Oh. Alright, let's do this. Got a bit of blood to that.
Yeah, no, you don't want any blood, do we? That's it. Yep, you did it, see? It's pretty good.
Blood.
No, there's no blood. There's no blood happening, mate.
No, neck off itself.
No, no neck off. Can we just focus on the tomato? You're scaring me now.
Hello.
Yeah, well, come on, mate. We're cutting tomato. That's it.
Oh, stop it.
You stop it.
Oh, Charlie.
What?
Like, touch it. Like, if I off it, mate, it's annoying. Like, press the back of the knee.
What? Who's doing that?
Lockie. Oh, it's doing that, mate. It's annoying.
Well, you've been hanging out for him to come and visit.
Press the back of there.
You texting back and stuck your finger up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, just a certain hour to do, like a defiance there, but.
Who's getting mad? Jesse.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, cut that up. You gotta eat it. Yeah. We can't chop tomato without eating it, can ya? Mm.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oh, well, a dog.
Your dog, yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, goodness me. You need to get your patties out, though, because they might be burning.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, a dog.
Yeah, he's hoping to get a patty. That's what he's doing. Aren't you, Jack? Oh, you got two on there. You're getting tricky now.
Oh. Oh, it's hot in here.
It's hot in there, is it? Are you holding the handle?
What?
The handle.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, mate.
Alright.
Alright, come on, hurry up.
Oh, stop it.
Maybe Josh will want a burger.
Wait, Josh?
Yeah, you think Josh will want a burger?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
What are you doing?
Shit.
What are you doing that for?
Oh. Oh, my goodness. What the hell? Mom, what you doing?
What's going on? You want some you gonna put some butter on it and some cheese? Hmm?
Oh, annoying.
That's annoying. You want a different one? Okay. You don't want that reject one.
Don't do that. Don't go your bonus.
Right, now we need some butter.
Yep. Don't need it. Oh, Mum and dog.
Yeah, your dog's hanging out for one of your meat patties.
Don't have that, Matt. You're going silly. Oh.
It's alright. Looks
How's
pretty
that?
good. What's going on there? What? Hello? Peekaboo!
What
are you doing?
Hey.
For Jack, yep, you can give it to Jack.
Hey, buddy. Hey, this time, boy. Sit. Boy.
Bit of dog fluff on your burger.
Oh, what?
You just patted the dog and now you're patting your burger. Do you care?
Oh, no. What is that?
It might be a bit hot for him. He's not eating it yet. All right.
Oh!
It's gone.
Who's over there?
Yeah, you took it out there. That's good.
It's good.
Are you going to eat them both?
No.
No. Well, who's that one for?
It's first.
Josh? You're going to save it for Josh, are you?